Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri briefed parliamentary panel. Indian Army foils infiltration attempt defending Golden Temple. Meghalaya clears 15 crores for next phase of Yodo revamp. Violence erupts at Star Cement after fatal accident. And fire destroys helpers' quarter near Dr. Mukul Sangma's residence. The news in detail. Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri briefed the Parliamentary Standing Committee on External Affairs on current foreign policy developments between India and Pakistan. The session, chaired by Congress MP Shashi Tharoor, focused on Operation Sindoor and the ceasefire announcement that followed India's retaliatory strikes after the Pahalgam terror attack. This marked the first instance of a senior government official engaging with the panel following the recent surge in cross-border tensions. The Indian Army successfully thwarted an infiltration attempt along the international border in Amritsar on May 8 and 9 as part of Operation Sindoor. Following India's strike on terror infrastructure, Pakistan launched a series of retaliatory attacks, including kamikaze drones and missiles targeting civilian sites like the Golden Temple. All threats were intercepted with precision by India's advanced air defense system. The Army's Western Command released new footage today, showcasing the operation's success, reaffirming its commitment with the message from the ground, "We protected the skies."
सिंदूर केवल एक कार्रवाई नहीं, पाकिस्तान के लिए वो सबक था जो उसने
The Meghalaya government has approved an additional 15 crore for the second phase of Yodo Market's redevelopment in Shillong, targeting improved drainage, upgraded footpaths and foundational work. During a market inspection today, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma, along with Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong, Tourism Minister Paul Lingdo and other officials assessed infrastructural concerns. Incessant rain during the visit did not stop the Chief Minister, instead reaffirmed his goal to solve the issue. With 6 crores already in use and another 10 crores from the North Eastern Council, the second phase will place overhead pipes underground and overhaul drainage to expand walkways. Tendering is expected soon, with work likely to begin in the coming months.
The work is being done, they would like to see that it could be improved better. So they were requesting that if the drainage can be made on the side because water is a big issue, so on and so forth. So there were very good interaction. Many suggestions came, as I said, but overall, as I said, we have noted down everything and we realize that we need to make a master plan now to take things forward.
So the rooftop that you mentioned, will it be taken up in this phase?
No, the rooftop means it's not rooftop, the cover, the roof cover along the footpaths, which is open, where we could see that most of the people were selling the vegetables, covering themselves. It was very inconvenient. So we realized that also has to be taken up, but that may not be in this phase because we've already sanctioned 15 crores, as I said, which is mainly for the infrastructure like the nala and the footpath and ducking of the pipes. So, but second phase will, third phase will. No, those are beautification projects that are at a very small scale. These are major infrastructural changes. These are major, like for example, the footpath and the drainage, the ducking of the pipes. These are major projects, and these need to be done at a very large scale. So they will not be new.
Ka phase ka bandungkong biokul ka ban sorkar kala ai da ka ban beautify dan pendit dan pendiam ni kan kayo nila adet pada ka phase 1 ka phase ka baar pada ka hasan klur ha ka ba la ai sanction kerpang da kita kan geyau kidang bun ki kam ke bedang sa ha ka ban pendit pendiam ya kaya kayen ka lenti ka singkin khamtam ke jingya pupu pai ubang niyo i kalau ke jing thot ka bakrau ke muntah kan ka phase ka baar na kalian job ka sarkar Palestin kia ha ka bang minsa sedang no sen ya ka ban pendit pendiam ya kan geyau barok kawai bat ka phase ka balai hadin ke jing wan jungi yo i ke babun ke jing don kam bat kata kolong balek se nginsna ke kenja rooftop da ka menta ke ni kinong song yo kidang don ke jaka ke bidang don ke space ban lek maha ban pendit pendiam ya kan niru nilai slok nilai keren akaba nakaliang jok kahima ban nakaliang jok ka sarkar kinyap syong lang kini prepare susu ya kita ki working plan ke babit ka bidyang kadang bangin ng penjana susu ya kani kayo do kabalong kayo kapapaw na tam jong ka jala meghala jong ni barokwe.
A deadly road accident near Voyager village on National Highway 6 escalated into large-scale violence after a Star Cement truck allegedly ran over a local pickup driver following an initial collision. The incident triggered outrage, prompting a mob of around 300 people to storm the Star Cement compound, vandalizing property, assaulting a security guard, and setting fire to 14 and 15 trucks. Fire brigade and police personnel faced violent resistance while trying to control the blaze and restore order. Additional police forces were deployed, eventually dispersing the mob and securing the area, with authorities now on high alert to prevent further unrest. A late-night fire yesterday at Nehru Ading in Tura, Hawakhana, near the residence of opposition leader Dr. Mukul Sangma, destroyed a helper's quarter and an adjoining storeroom. The blaze, which began around 10 p.m., was swiftly contained by 4 fire engines dispatched by the fire and emergency services. While no injuries were reported, those present narrowly escaped and remain in shock. Authorities suspect a short circuit as the cause and are set to launch an investigation. Leader of the opposition and Songsak MLA Dr. Mukul Sangma inspected the under-construction International Football Stadium at Ambati in southwest Garo Hills, where he raised serious concerns over leakage issues and the quality of construction. During the visit, he reviewed VIP sitting arrangements and was briefed on the incomplete second phase of the project. Dr. Sangma called for immediate corrective measures to meet international standards and stressed the need for strict monitoring and accountability in high-value sports infrastructure. Sports Department officials assured that the concern would be addressed within the set timeline.
The project is designed to be implemented in phase manner. So this is the phase 1. The phase 1, I would like to take it up with the Government of India, with the Honorable Prime Minister to see that this project is completed. I am perturbed to a great extent because this project, in spite of a project which was somehow supported with the fund from Government of India, and in spite of the fact that Prime Minister himself laid the foundation stone for this particular project, this project has been almost like, it's more like a project which has been sidelined. I'm sorry to say that because it should have been completed. First phase having been completed, we should ask for additional fund to complete the whole project, meaning the necessary fund required for the second phase.
Social activists Enlang Sawayan and Purning Star Shabong addressed the media at the Shillong Press Club to clarify the status of MG Narega activities in Latnongse village under the Soyong CNRD block, responding to recent reports suggesting that the employment scheme remains active. Shabong reiterated that villagers have consistently reported a suspension of work, with the project being taken over by the block office after complaints were filed, effectively denying villagers their work opportunities. Highlighting the scheme's vital role, Shabong stressed its importance in supporting livelihood, particularly for individuals with disabilities in the community.
Nomor ba habak hak ba pasne ya jing terjebak kalau saya jing nong tu tata. Nomor balik nomor kabusin jinong kendong. Tidak kuat lagi kuat jing terjebak. Dan lain dia ban terjebak apa kinam yo berlah. Tak ya ka kamai kecil jong tak tu yo pat. Dan tu ibril tiba duna ada pat. Tiba ngitip kinam we pin di lagi person with disability. Kini ki beri yo jing mentoi na ada terjebak. Hoi, kim nak try, kim nak balik try dan kim nak balik try dan kim balik try mola. Hendak kita balik dan tu mana kita kera peki, bekerja ni alam region jadi.
In a dramatic South Asian Football Federation Under-19 Championship final at Golden Jubilee Stadium yesterday, India clinched a 4-3 win on penalties over Bangladesh after a tense 1-1 draw in regulation time. Captain Singamayum Shami opened the scoring with a stunning early free kick, but Bangladesh equalized through Mohammad Joy Ahmed in the 61st minute. The penalty shootout swung wildly, with India's Suraj Singh Ahebam making a crucial save and Shami Cooley converting the final kick to seal a thrilling title defense for Biano Fernandez's resilient Blue Colts. And now for the weather report. First, let's take a look at the weather report in Tura. Minimum temperature 22 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 27 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 76%. Rainfall 17.9 millimeter. Moving on to Shillong, minimum temperature 15.5 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 22.2 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 100%. Rainfall 29 millimeter. Meanwhile, in July, minimum temperature 18 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 21 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 85%. The rainfall 1.8 millimeter. And the forecast in Tura, Joai and Shillong says that light to moderate rainfall is likely to occur at most places. Before we wind up, let's have a look at the headlines once again. Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri briefed Parliamentary panel. Indian Army foils infiltration attempt defending Golden Temple. Meghalaya clears 15 crores for next phase of Yodo revamp. Violence erupts at Star Cement after fatal accident. And fire destroys helpers' quarter near Dr. Mukul Sangma's residence. Well, viewers, that's all we have in today's edition of the news. Do join us again tomorrow with more updates. Have yourself a good night.